One leg kick. Start prone, propped up on the elbows, a little like a sphinx, and have the fists connected at the front of the body. Stabilise the torso as you kick one leg from the knee, aiming the heel towards the bottom. It doesn't have to hit the bottom though. Point on the first kick and flex on the second kick. This coordination can be quite challenging for some, so you might have to omit that plantar flexion, dorsiflexion coordination challenge. Exhale as you kick the leg twice, and then inhale as you release back to the start position. Loraine shows another variation here, just lying completely prone, still stabilising through the torso while she works the kick. This can work quite nicely for any client that has a particular knee challenge, because the prone knee flexion, tightens up that rectus femoris, which can feel a little bit of compression onto the patella. And if that's the case, sometimes just dropping down into that prone position can feel more comfortable. And if your client doesn't like the slight spinal extension, which happens in that sphinx position, lying prone again can help here.